Because of the interaction between Illustrator and the other applications in the Creative Suite, you'll often find that you'll create a piece of artwork that's going to be used for more than one purpose. For example, I might want to use this shark as a postcard, as a 11 by 17 print, or for use on the web, a mobile phone, and all kinds of things. So instead of me having to constantly go to the file menu and go to page setup and set up different sizes for output, I can determine by using the crop tool the different settings that I might want to export at a particular time. So what I can do is go to my tools and select this guy right here, which is called the crop area tool. Now it's not going to crop as it would in Photoshop. It's simply going to allow you to place a preset so that when you're ready to export, Illustrator will know exactly what size that crop area should print to or be exported as. So here's the crop tool, and I can just draw a little boundary like so, not worrying at all about what size this box is at the moment, because that's where the presets drop down menu comes in. I can go to presets and I can choose exactly the format that I wish to export to. So I can go ahead and choose, for example, let's think I might want to go for a web splash page. So I might want this to be 640 by 480 pixels. So I'll go ahead and choose that. And I can reposition the crop now by moving my cursor. And I can set that as the first crop. Now let's think about my iPhone that I have here. I might want to have the face of my shark on my phone as a wallpaper. So I can hold down on my keyboard the Alt or Option key. And when I do that, by the way, I want you to pay attention to the upper left-hand corner. Hopefully you can see that. The number 1 is there, which tells me that this is the first of many crops that I can create. When I let go, the number goes away. So once again, Alt or Option, and I can click and drag out a new region. And I can go to my custom menu once again and choose the size of my iPhone screen, which I do believe is 240 by 320, but I could be wrong. I can move that down like so. And this could be the wallpaper that I have on my phone. So when I hold down the Alt or Option key again, you'll notice that I still retain my first crop, which is very cool. So I can add as many as I'd like. Now let's say I want to make one for printing out this whole page. I'll go ahead and draw it once again a little tiny boundary like this. And I'll let go of the Alt or Option key and go to my presets and choose letter. And I'll move this so that it covers up the entire document, or as much of it as I want to print. And when I hold down Alt or Option, I see I have 3 crop regions ready to go to export at any time. I can also, if I wish, click this button here to see the presets and also some of the options that I can add to it, such as showing crosshairs or showing center marks or other options that I might want to add. So I'll go ahead and cancel that for now. It's a great tool to use when you want to have a whole bunch of options available so your artwork can be readily exported into many different formats.